It is an early February morning, and I am aboard Towboat Scout. Just been dispatched to pick up a 44-foot catamaran that has suffered engine failure, bring it in to the dock here at Westland Marine. Let's see how I do.
Start with these two and the forward. So this one, that one, and that one. Where are you going to tie up to?
What I'm going to do is my engines need to be behind your stern. So I'm going to tie, we're going to do a hip tow.
Okay.
I'm going to tie my rear cleat to your rear cleat.
Okay.
And then I'll rig up some spring lines and such that will let us
sounds good.
Let us maneuver.
Leaving here, so we're leaving the dinghy on the mooring.
Okay.
So that's just tied up to the mooring. Once I'm ready to let go, we just back up.
Okay. Sounds good. And when we get into the dock, do you have a handheld VHF?
Yes, right at the helm.
Okay. When we get into the dock, obviously I'm not going to be able to see that side.
Yep.
I usually use channel 14. We can use whatever you want.
Okay, I can switch over to 14.
Yeah, let's do. And then you just give me, or someone give me approximate, and it doesn't have to be exact, but 10 feet, 5 feet.
She's really good at it. She does it all the time.
Okay.
I'll get her the handheld and make sure it's. Let me make sure.
Okay, sounds good.
You know where the handheld VHF is? Make sure, get that switched over to channel 14. And I'll switch mine over to 14 as well. Radio check, radio check.
Hang on. Try it again.
Radio check, radio check.
Got it.
Do a check on the handheld as well.
Check, check.
Got it. You want me to take this fender in, or?
Why don't we leave that one there for the moment, because I might actually need that one.
Okay. We're going to leave this one here, and probably that middle one right there.
Should I grab this one?
And pull that one in. When we get into the dock,
Yeah.
you're going to be on the port side with the handheld VHF giving distance call outs.
Yeah, just approximate. I mean, it doesn't have to be.
What line should I have ready for?
I would say have a bow line ready.
Okay.
If we can have somebody on the dock too when we get there, and if necessary, they can tie that bow line off so I can use that to pivot us in.
So a bow and a stern.
Yeah, we'll need a bow and a stern, but get the bow on first.
Mm-hmm.
Give us some. Don't make it too tight. Give me some room so when I back up, it'll pivot us in.
Okay.
Pivot us in.
One other thing after you get that on, will you call Melissa and tell her we're on our way in and see if there's any help at the dock?
Well, I can't put the bow line on until we're
Oh, from the mooring, that's fine.
Okay, before you cast off, I just want to put it in gear and see how the two boats react real quick. I'm not going to go anywhere. Just okay. Go ahead, Kat. Let me know when we're free. We're free?
3 dinghies right in front of us.
All right.
Yep.
Am I clear of the dinghy?
Yes, you are. clear the entrance.
How am I looking on that boat that's sticking out?
It's still sticking out. Looking good.
Roger.
All out to the south.
About 30 feet.
All right. See if you can get a stern line. Yeah, I'm trying.
We're approaching again, 10 feet. 5 feet. 1 foot. Touch it. One foot.
All right. Can you get him a line? Can you get him a line?
Yes.
Maybe can you throw him a stern line so they can pull us in? Yeah, why don't you let me disconnect before you flip it?
Joe, you flipping it?
Let me let me disconnect.